On the 24th of September, we've got an Israel night where you can find out some more information about the trip that's going to be happening later this year. So if you're interested in going, or if you're already committed to going, then come along for that meeting on the 24th of September here at Excel Church.
For a place in life with my eyes closed, I've been chasing broken hopes, spinning wheels and blowing smoke. I've tried so hard.
As if there wasn't enough cake at the kids club in the summer holidays, but let me tell you, we've got a Macmillan's morning happening where there's going to be more cake on the 24th of September from 11 till 2. So there's going to be tea, coffee, cake, and just a really great time to get together to support this great cause and this charity Macmillan's. So join us for that on the 24th of September.
You're my remedy.
Ladies, this one's for you, Devoted. It's happening, it's coming soon. Literally, it's round the corner. But don't forget, you can still get your tickets for this amazing day event that we're going to have for all the women of Excel Church and your friends. Bring your sisters, your mothers, your friends. It's going to be great. So grab your tickets before it's too late.
You're my rescue, you're my remedy, you're the answer right in front of me. When the heart breaks, all that I can see.
Our church AGM is going to be happening on Wednesday the 28th of September at 7:30. So mark that in your diaries. If you would consider yourself, if you are a partner here at Excel Church, then you need to come to this meeting. It's where we'll just look over the year. You'll be having an email sent to you as well, which will have all the information, the invite in there and the report that you need as well. But make every effort please to attend this meeting. And it will be no longer than an hour. There'll also be refreshments, so come for the cake, guys. But yeah, and if you're not a partner, but you're thinking, what does that mean? And you would actually call Excel your home church, then why not consider signing up to be a partner here? So yeah, join us for that AGM meeting that's happening on Wednesday the 28th of September.
Manage to damage control. The sickness here is in my soul. My eyes have seen it, now I know. My ears have heard the sound. Rescue.
The money course is going to be happening on 2 Tuesdays, Tuesday the 27th of September and Tuesday the 4th of October. So if you'd like to get some practical ways that you can help manage your money well and think about that emotional relationship we have with our money and the practicalities of managing budgets well, then come along for the money course. It's going to be happening both sessions here at Excel Church at 7 p.m. So sign up online if you'd like to come for those sessions.
When the heart breaks, all that I can see, you're my rescue, you're my remedy. Rescue remedy.
So there's no Connect groups this week, but that's because we're hosting a night, an AOG Zone night for leaders around the region. So make sure you have a great week, guys, and we'll see you next week for our baptism service, which is exciting. So we'll see you there in the morning. Bye.